We're walking in nature, guys. We came to what is it? Oh, what lake is this? Came to a lake. I'm not sure exactly what lake it is. I'll tell you guys down below. There's a lake. Beautiful lake. Beautiful lake. We walked. I'm exhausted.
Yo, don't get lost. Promise not to get lost?
Yeah, I promise not to get lost. Do I look like a person that gets lost?
See what I do.
So now I'm getting lost.
What is this?
This is it? We don't want to fucking climb a rock, do we? I think we're lost. No, we're not lost. But I'm not sure. I think we ended up going the wrong way. Unless we had to climb these rocks. But these rocks look fucking insane. I know, probably on a video it doesn't look crazy, but the closer you get, the bigger it gets. It's crazy much. Where are you going? Oh, careful, bro. You go up there, I'm going up there.
Oh no, is this a challenge?
Let's do it. Looks like a trail.
How'd they make it do it?
What? It's so cool, you see? We're about to turn around. Oh, okay. The blue trail. You guys see that little blue thing? It's the blue trail. Greetings, fellow subscribers. Question, do you guys believe in mediums? Answer down below in the comments, please. Thank you. This is a kind of crazy ass trail. I feel good. I feel good. I need this. I need the exercise.
Oh wait, hello, I'm busy here.
Oh my god, what?
Johnny, it's chasing me, what do you mean?
It's a butterfly.
It's not a butterfly, where is it? It's looking for one. Johnny, please.
It's a butterfly, you guys.
Why was it doing that?
The blue trail. It's a big rock I told you guys. I mean, we're gonna climb. It doesn't look so big in the fucking video for some reason, but I think it's huge. Slippery. The rocks are pretty smooth. You think water goes down through here? Rain, right? When it rains. How you doing? Hey, doing, boss? Good, boss. How are you?
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Did you guys fucking hear me stuttering? It's crazy. Just stuttered. How I stuttered so much? Good, boss. That's crazy. Anyways, back to the hike. So when we first looked up this place, it had a really nice view of like a lake and stuff, and that's our goal for today. See if we get to the lake. It's kind of a far walk, but it's not a bad hike. It's cool. I like it. Hello, Nuggie. Hello, puppy. No, it's fine. So cute. Hello. Hello. Oh my god, look at that one. Those are some good dogs, yo. I had some water out. I thought they were gonna attack me for the water, to be honest. Kind of jumped on me, but good dog overall. Oh man, it's crazy. Look at that. It's like a crow or something. Had to keep going with the hike. It's just a little break. I think our second break so far during the hike. So, you know, just gotta stay hydrated, man. Drink water. Stay hydrated. Drink water. That's it. Peace, bro. Peace, bros. Peace to all my subscribers, bros. Big boulder. Stopped right next to that tree. If it rolled, right? Where do you think it came from? Why is it so big? It's been 3 hours so far. It's crazy. But, you know, once we get to where I'm trying to take you guys, it'll be worth it. I'll get some drone shots and stuff. I'll include it in the video, of course. I got you guys. Can I pet that dog? Can I pet that dog? That's my dog. We made it, you guys. Not yet, but we almost made it. It's a blue trail for the blue water. Almost there, you guys. Almost there. A few more minutes. A few more minutes of this crazy walk. It's a hike for a reason, right? It's for exercise. Gotta stay hydrated. We made it. This is it. This is the view.
Like I'm alive.